ladies and gentlemen, right now I am going to introduce with the accent peers are the accent cafe. Especially those are you foreigners. For you, today I am going to explore the business opportunity in DXN all over the world. Everyone can join with us to do the business without any risk, any investment. Okay, let's go. Okay, here this is the cafe. Here have DXN lemon tea, DXN rosel, and organic juice and fruit, also DXN spirulina, and DXN oregon, and DXN coffee roaster. These all are organic, and with this we have a big opportunity for the business. Okay, so everyone can join with us without any investment, without any risk. And they have also mobile for their rest, and all of the DXN members they are enjoying here. You look see, and big count of people already gathered here. So I am inviting anywhere you can live. You can live in Australia, USA, Bolivia, Canada, any country. You can join with us. They have our WhatsApp number. And let's see. Let's see here. Most of Bangladesh leader, they are gathering here and getting policy. But this is not actually not only this. They have also this is buffet style. You can get things here. So let me what have you? Okay. Here I am showing you. They have rice, noodles. Maybe this is chicken, right? Chicken, and this is curry and others vegetable, salad type. Okay, so which is actually my master. And we have some fruits item here, lemon tea, malta, and cake, DXN cake, and also. So which is actually I want to say for you all. This is actually here for everyone have the great opportunity for the business from all over the country. If you live anywhere, if you are Bangladeshi, no problem. So what? You are living right now in Malaysia, in any country, or you are in Australia, or you are in Canadian, or you are in Peru, or you are in Bolivia, no problem. You can join with us for the business without any investment, any cost. Okay, thank you very much for being with me.